Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I do how-to videos on various topics. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome once more. Today I have a good one for you. We're going to be looking at 2 free background removal websites and see which one works best for which photo. These 2 sites are Remove.bg and Lunapic. If you are not sure of what these websites are, you will learn today. If you have experience using this site, you might learn something new. Before we get into the video, please subscribe to my channel for more how-to videos on various topics. Hit that like button and click that notification bell so you will be the first to know when I upload new content. Let's get into the video. So the first site we're going to look at is Remove.bg. So I'm just going to basically show you how to use each site first. Then we're going to do a compare and contrast to find out which site is better for which types of pictures or photos. Let's go to upload image. Click on the image that you would like to remove the background, and right away it will start removing the background for you. And as easy as 1, 2, 3, there's no background in your image. All you have to do from here is to click on download and your design will be saved to your folder. But what about photos? Let's go back and click on upload image. And what I like with this website is that I can use it and I don't have to sign up. So if you are like me and you don't like signing up for stuff before you get to use it, this website is definitely for you. This is how the photograph will come out if we use one. Let's try a more complex design. And here we have a problem. If you saw the original design, then you would know what the problem is here. So Remove.bg removed everything else that was on the design and just gave me the puppy. Here we can see that with photographs, Remove.bg is excellent, or with less complicated designs like just words. Let's go over to Lunapic and see what happens. Click on upload, click on choose file. We're going to choose the photo first. Let's see how Lunapic does with the photo. Click on open. Once you are presented with the photo, you want to go to edit, go down to transparent background. You are going to click on the color that you would like to be removed. Only a portion of the background has been removed, and that's because this background has multiple colors. And the Lunapic removes backgrounds based on the color codes that you choose. So for this picture, I would go with remove background. Let's go back to upload. And we're going to try the complicated design that failed the test on remove background. Let's look at the intricate design using Lunapic. We're going to choose the file and we're going to use the same design that failed on Remove.bg because we want to see how well the design does on Lunapic, if it's going to remove everything and just leave us with the puppy. Go to edit, transparent background, and you're going to click on the color that you'd like to be removed. When I scroll down here, you can see that our design is intact except for a few areas where the background was not fully removed. All you have to do from here is to click on apply, so you can apply the changes that you just made, and you can scroll down, click on the section that you want to be removed once more, and just continue to apply and click on the areas that you want to be removed. Even though this is a bit painstaking when you have intricate designs like this one, it is still worth it because at the end of the day your background will be removed and you will have a beautiful design. Once you are finished, you will notice that you have removed your background If you are satisfied with how your design looks, click on File, Save Image, and from here you're going to click on Save as PNG, and from there you will save the image to your folder. So there you have it. There are two different sites and both of them can be used for different aspects. If you are looking for a quick and simple background removal as it relates to your photos or simple designs that you may have, your best bet is to use Remove.bg. However, if you have used many elements in your designs and they are intricate, you want to look at using Lunapic, since it will keep your designs intact and not necessarily delete some of your elements along with your background, as we saw in Remove.bg. But it's important to note that when you are dealing with photos, Remove.bg is your best bet. When you are dealing with intricate designs, Lunapic is your best bet. And both of these sites, as we said before, are free to use. I do hope you learned something new today. Thank you for staying tuned to the end of this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button and click that notification bell so you will know when I upload new content. If you have any other sources that you use that you would like to share with me, please leave them in the comments below. And remember, conquer your fears and own your talents.